Look at this. It is deep here. Move on. I love this. This one place. They're always going like, wow, nice forest. A big one. Let's do it. Now I'll try. Place it here. This is my place, guys. I was before 2 years going here when I was every day hiking out to high school. And I come home from high school. It's 2 p.m. and eat a little bit, get clothes, and go for a hike. Sometimes I was going with my look. It's for Jenny. No, guys, here. This is a beautiful wildlife here. You know, it's an amazing place. Every time I was going here, this I'm going alone. You know, but sometimes, oh, when I was hiking with my friends, I was going on the road. This is route for me only. Like, I like being here alone, you know, with my own mind and this shit. Place is amazing. Look at that. It was amazing. I love that place. Was never be for a year here. Cause I was screwing my self-improvement journey to this life. Cause I don't know, it's something going to be. No, I'm changing my things in items in my pockets. Because it's easier to get to this, you know. And with the right hand it's easier to do. If it would be in my left pocket. Shit is amazing. I love this place. Now, I get stability. It's beautiful, really. Look at this. Nice place. Nice place. There is a homes. Many peoples. You know. Yeah. But that's nothing to speak, to talk about. And talk about I was coming before 2 years here every day, almost every day after high school. I thought I need something, get here. It was be a matter, but I'm now bringing back this therapy. And some viewers. Yes, someone must be here. Someone must be here. Go back to the pockets. See a beautiful wildlife. This place is awesome. You know, I don't know, bring back this place like my therapy because it's so beautiful. I like that and everything, you know. It's crazy how this is awesome. I like it. I like it. See, look at this owls. From 10 bags. For 2 years, I was coming here, sitting like that, you know, and be with my own mind. It's like therapy for me, and I like that, cause mindset is everything. For 2 weeks, I was searching for some files on Google Drive and Google Photo, and I find photos for 2 years when I was sitting here, you know, and before 2 years every picture with my friends, you know, school, at this place. I was watching these videos and photos, and I think I was never been this happy like 2 years before when I was come here, when I was going to school, when I was come here, when I was meditating, reading, and going to school, trying to match all things together, you know. I was never been happy in my entire life like this for 2 years, and it made me a little bit depressed for some seconds. But after was be like, thanks God for this time. It's a beautiful time, some beautiful memories. I don't think it was be beautiful. No. easy. Picture. Everything is nice here. Now guys, I will be with my own minds. Like I said, this is place for this. I'm back. We're gonna see some apples that my father see here. It's small and and boom. Guess I need to go to us down to buy some clothes. And today is 8 March, Women's Day. I need to buy some flowers to my sister, grandma, mom, and girl. Girlfriend. Well, look at this. I'll bring this home. Gotta go for a hike. Go for a hike. Climb the tree. You see a beautiful flower. Take picture of him and bring it home. I don't know how much this is a beautiful moment. When you bring this home and take picture of this flower. And I have X profile page and I had photos like this, bringing flowers, getting home and take a picture of it, and adding an X page. Look at this. There is something, I need to bring it off. No animal. Look at this. Is it empty? It's empty, I think. It's empty, I guess. Me and my father. This happened here. And this one down here. We'll see now. I think it's the sea is destroyed. That's an issue. Facciamo una porta. Le porte. Oh no. Bello. Facciamo 60 spremi. Allora, questa sarà la nostra prima. sa det två problemstarna nära. This apple is start growing in the wrong position. Because they lay down. She's this is a lamp. She's connected to this stick support, and the stick is going down, and apple is also going down. We need to fix this. New stick. Take stick to other side. Like this. That will bring hair back. But this is fucked. This is fucked. Maybe here is softer. Softer. There is something. I think it's like ash. Now, when I go hiking, you have to go to your place. Somewhere you wanna go. It's like going here for me. The second task is find some nice flower and bring it back home. Take picture of it and bring it back home. Now is to plant a tree. I'm gonna climb this tree. Like it. I'm gonna climb this. And you're watching this. Seriously. Over here. Look at me. Little tree. Second hand. And I need it. I'm going to stop this video here. Guys, I'm under the tree now. This is a beautiful view from here. You know, I need to sit somewhere. It's a beautiful view from here. Look at this. It's one axiom is 0.5. Look where we've been. Now we're here. Beautiful view. Beautiful view. Guys, now we're going home. Our task is finished. Well, it's been hiking in nature. I'm happy. Now I'm back. It's nice here, right? I feel very happy hiking every time. Humans, man, is made to be in nature. Man's place is in nature. Not only some shitty town in a concrete jungle, but in real jungle. I'm not going home. Home for some town. To buy some gym clothes. That I need it for gym. When I'm going to have a boss, I will record you some videos for gym. I don't have now. Maybe sometimes. But yeah, stay disciplined. Be disciplined. Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it.